when I heard this, I said Lindsey Renee would love this. This is her style of reggae. Listen, that was the second cut. This is called Roots Wise and Roots Sweetness, strictly female reggae, roots reggae, and lovers rocks selection.
Let the world unite. No fussing, no fighting. Let the world unite.
It's real good, real easy listening. I know a lot of time some music can be a bit much, but it, like dude said, it's a musical planet, so you're gonna be really fucked if you can't listen to the music. Listen to the first track. I'm going back to the first track.
What was hidden from the wise,
couple seconds.
now revealed to the babe and certain. Now is the time for us to.
This guy did a real good job of putting this together. I'm gonna fall asleep to it again tonight.
No fussing, no fighting. Let the world unite. No fussing, no fighting.
Listen to this shit. I'm not a real big R&B fan, but this is like the instrumentation is from, like the instruments that they're using is that's the type of sound I like.
Let me feel your lips press against my cheek. Let me feel your arms around my waist.
Hear that organ? Wait to the organ. Organs. David Radagon. Let's go to another selection.
Say you love the ones you love. Betrayed by the ones you trust.
That's coming to the realization. What the fuck is wrong with these motherfuckers? I'm looking at stupid ass Sonny Nolan picture in Tioga. Explain this shit. Or do you want me to explain? I'll explain. You want me to explain it? You don't want? You want me to explain it? This guy did a real good job putting this together.
Time to know you.
told you it was very easy listening. A lot of my stuff that I like isn't that easy to listen to. Just thought I'd tell you something a little different to listen to sometimes. And then I like to listen to piano music too when everything's a little too much.